Ja, vi fisk.
Fish. Whoa, that's biggin. Show him. Right. What's up, guys, and welcome to my channel, actually. Because this is my other channel, and this is the first video, if you haven't noticed. And yeah, my normal channel is called Inform, and yeah, I do gaming and stuff there. So yeah, and on this channel I'm going to upload mostly fishing and maybe some survival challenges or shelter stuff. Yeah, you've probably seen those videos. Yeah, and I'm going to fish for pike, perch and trout mostly. Maybe some char, but char and trout is like the same fish, so yeah. Enjoy the video.
Daddy. We're going to second spot, guys. Oh,
yeah! We're going to the second spot now. We're going to a lake called Mjögsjön. And yeah, we didn't get any fish here. Sorry. That's how it is. The lake might not be frozen, or it's going to be pretty thin ice. So yeah, we'll see. And in that lake there's a pike. I think it could be char in it, and perch, yeah. We're here now. This is just like the end of the lake, really. So here it ends, and the start is like a few kilometers out there. So yeah, and we'll see if the thick is ice enough. Jag kunde ha gjort det hela dagen faktiskt.
Jag fick en hardom.
Då fiskar
Jag fick en hardom.
Ja, en hardom. Det finns en telefon här då. Den är hård. Det är fint också. Helikopter, helikopter. Parakoper, parakoper.
Helikopter, helikopter.
Ja, min älvbåge.
Min älvbåge. William hoppa. William hoppa in och sparka dig. No angel. Ramlade nästan där. You almost fell. Again. Brixton. Jag kan filma lite upp det.
Jag lyckas kan filma.
Jag har 58%.
Lyckas 58%. Ligger fortfarande fiskar. Låt bara kolla på det där. Låt bara kolla på det vi gick.
So, we did not get any fish today. And we will come back tomorrow to fish. For fish.
But it's only gonna be me and Simon this time, because that
we good guys.
Oh,
Not bad guy. No.
Do you wanna come tomorrow as well, Nico? Okay, Nico is also gonna be.
No.
Ow! My foot!
He is not.
You fucking retard.
All right. And we'll see you in the next clip. We just got some small bites here, and it wasn't too popular. So we're gonna move to over there. I don't know if you can see, but you can see there that there's like grass and maybe some stones and stuff. So it might be shallower there, and then a deep end. So it should be fish there, I think. And 13 grams. Beautiful. Looks like a perch. Something just bit my bait spur. I think it was a perch. It was probably a perch, yeah. Vill de ha gott?
Jag har inte på mig.
Du kan få.
Eftersom att du fick fisk där så kanske den drog lite hit. Det var här.
Men där tar du det.
Har vi fisk?
Fish. Whoa, that's big one. Show him.
I'm gonna make it bigger.
Ooh, big one.
That's huge! New PV?
This feels pretty big. Should we eat it?
I'm gonna put him back. You wanna go back in there?
Big one.
Big one, mate.
That was fucking sick, guys.
Hade du den på? Nice. Alright guys, we are packing up on that right now, and yeah, we're gonna head home. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I might drop a video in like 2 days, because tomorrow I'm going to ice fish for char, and I'm going with Lucas only, not with William, because he's heading home to Norway right now. And I'm gonna head home, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.